So most repairs on anything, you might need to use your drill. I'm gonna need my drill bit to open any holes or re-drill any holes. I'm gonna need to place my battery into the drill, and I'm gonna have to replace my drill bit on the end here. First, I'm gonna place my battery, make sure that's nice and tight and secured, and then with my drill in neutral, meaning I won't be going forward or back, I'm going to remove my bit. I have my drill bit in hand. I'm gonna replace the driver here, putting it back into its lock there, and then I'm gonna put my drill bit on the end, make it nice and tight, keep it as straight as possible, and then I'm gonna hand tighten it into place. And now it is not gonna come out, and I can drill my holes. So the drill always has a forward or reverse setting, and then obviously neutral. That's where you'll want to be to remove your drill bit. We also have a couple settings on top for tension or speed. You have your drill, which is what most people will be utilizing, and then it goes down, which as you're drilling anything, if you have it on a lower setting and you try and do it, it won't let you over tighten or over tension on it. If you go all the way to the drill, it'll just keep on spinning. You always want to make sure you have enough tension for whatever you're doing. Most of our drilling will be through rivets or walls, so we want to make sure ours is nice and tight and usually set on drill. On the door, I want to repair my hasp, so I see that there are 3 holes from a pre-existing hasp. Should be one. A nice twist. Go to the top. A nice twist. And then finally, the last one, which will be a little harder. Nice and slow. Through, and then nice twist.